This assignment is quite simple but very important. If you get this down, you learned everything that I wanted you to learn about quadratics. If you understand this assignment here, this is like the main thing. If you take this away, you're smarter than I was at quadratics whenever I was in high school. So each one, and this picture shows you, standard form is good for the y-intercept, vertex form is good for the vertex, factored form is good for the zeros or the x-intercepts. Have different names. They're called solutions, x-intercepts, zeros, all that same stuff. So the function m is given which one reveals the y-intercept the fastest. Now, the y-intercept's easy for all these, but with standard form, you can quickly tell the y-intercept is negative 54. So we're going to go with B. That's the easiest one. So for y-intercept, standard form, you go up here, you can even see that. C is the y-intercept. It's the easiest in standard form. What about the vertex? We're going to give that to vertex form, because if you look at this, that means we go to the left 3, if you were to graph it, and up 25 over 2, which means that we're going to go negative 3 with our x and positive 25 over 2 for our y. So vertex form is definitely going to take the trophy when it comes to finding the vertex. What about the zeros? I mean, we don't want to do the quadratic formula if we're stuck in this situation, or add 75, divide by 3, square root both sides, and subtract 6. That just sounds like a mess. When you look at factored form, you could see the zeros quickly are negative 1 and negative 11. So that's going to highlight the zeros, and you just have to put one of them in here. And last, which one reveals a vertex? Well, once again, that's going to be vertex form. This time, this one would shift to the right, because it's minus on the inside, 8, and down 8. So it's going to be positive 8, negative 8 for the coordinates there. So quite an easy assignment. This one, not so much. They want us to basically do everything, but that one's also very important for quadratics.